I'm going to be making a half vanilla and half chocolate cake. I'm also going to be making white chocolate ganache. I'm going to use that as a drizzle and put it on top of the cake. I'll show you how to make it. So now I'm going to make the white chocolate ganache. Here I have 2 ounces of white chocolate, and this is Ghiradelli. And I also have a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. And now I'm going to put on the stove. I'm going to put in the heavy cream, wait for it to boil. Not boil too much, just before it's about to boil. And then I take it off the stove. Then I will put the white chocolate inside and stir it until it becomes the white chocolate ganache.